So now I'm going to show you how to locate an IUD with this. I feel like that is also a huge advantage by having a probe like this in the office, because so many providers insert an IUD and they're not sure if it is inserted correctly, and this can solve the problem by just checking really quickly. So let me show you how we do it. She's gonna, oh, I have a cyst too. Let me show you guys the screen. Scanning me now. This is my IUD. And we can see that it's located perfectly, and also tons of gas in there. So let me go ahead and adjust this. Of course, if we had a stand for this, it would be lovely. This is going deeper, and then it's gonna go closer. There we go. So this is IUD sagittal. And now we're gonna turn transfers. Oh, look at that beautiful IUD. You can really see it so well. And then we can look at our ovaries at the same time here. I thought I saw a cyst. I saw it on my left for a quick little, let me see. Oh, hi. Let me put a focus on it. Darker. There we go. Hi. This is so user friendly. It's crazy. So that's a cyst. I'm going to freeze it and let's measure it. Tap, tap, measure again. Yep. Amazing. Yeah, that's a nice size. About 3 centimeters long. Beautiful. That was fun. I hope you enjoyed watching the pregnancy ultrasound along with my uterus and IUD and now cyst that we discovered using this. This is just a glimpse of what you could do with this probe. I feel like it's such a great addition to every office, and in general just to have one as an ultrasound tech. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about this or any of the things I scanned. Bye!